Cambodia braces for strong winds and rough seas as multiple storm systems disrupt monsoon, Mo-Ram warns. Cambodia is set to face strong gusty winds and increasingly rough sea conditions from August 12 to 16, as several tropical weather systems over the western Pacific strengthen and influence the country's southwest monsoon. According to the Ministry of Water Resources and Meteorology, Mo-Ram said a low-pressure system developing over the western Pacific is expected to intensify into the year's 17th storm on August 12th. Its combined influence with storm number 16 Palu, storm number 15 Chan Hom, and typhoon number 13 Dolphin is expected to strengthen monsoon winds affecting Cambodia. Although Cambodia is outside the direct paths of the storms, their broader weather influence could trigger strong wind gusts across several parts of the country over the 5-day period. In the lowland provinces, including Banteay Meanchey, Vanta Bong, Pursat, Kampong Chang, Siem Reap, Kampong Thom, Kampong Cham, Tubong Kom, Prey Veng, Kandal, Takeo, Svai Rieng, and Phnom Penh, wind gusts could reach approximately 15 meters per second. The highland and mountainous areas, including Kampong Spo, Palin, Adar Meanchey, Preah Vihear, Krati, Stung Treng, Ratanakiri, and Mondul Kiri, as well as the Dangrek and Cardamom mountain ranges, could experience stronger gusts of up to 20 meters per second. Meanwhile, Cambodia's coastal provinces of Koh Kong, Preah Sihanouk, Kampot, and Kep, together with the Bokor mountain range, could see winds of around 18 meters per second. Offshore conditions are also expected to become rougher, with waves reaching between 0.5 and 2 meters. The ministry has called on the public to exercise increased caution, particularly motorists, travelers, and people using waterways, as strong winds and rapidly changing weather conditions could create hazardous travel conditions. Authorities are also encouraging residents in exposed areas to closely follow official weather updates and take necessary precautions throughout the affected period. While the storms are not forecast to make a direct landfall in Cambodia, their indirect impact could still bring significant weather hazards, making vigilance essential across the country from August 12 to 16.